Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a little vlog, and sorry if I haven't been uploading for the past few months. It's just that I've been busy with college and personal stuff, which I do not want to get into detail with. I'm sure all of you can understand that. And I just want to say happy Bonfire Night and enjoy all the lovely fireworks and the bonfires. Make sure you keep your younger siblings or your very young cousins away from the fires. Nieces, nephews, any of them. Make sure you keep them away from the fires, and as always, have a, like I just said, happy bonfire night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!